That was just a blast off the back. This is in the backyard now. This is echoing through the backyard when it blasts. Here, I thought I'd come let you hear it out on the back deck. Believe it or not, I think it's even louder back here. There we go, it's across the street. Lovely quiet farm beside me. Here you go. Now we're in my backyard. Nothing back here. Fields and trees. And when the explosions go, it echoes through here like you wouldn't believe. Like I say, we think it's louder out here now than it's been all along. No vegetation to absorb the blast. I thought I'd come out here and let you get a blast of it from here. Seems it doesn't really matter where you sit, you get a good bang out of this. On the seat. It should just be a minute. It should be back at it again. Again, it's so peaceful and quiet out here. That's why we lived here. Oh, there we go. Lovely echo, isn't that nice? And this is in my backyard. Yeah. It's nice, eh? And it's now like 7 o'clock in the morning. Nice, eh?